Meet Carl, the proud father of 200 cows in the Netherlands. Let's explore a day on his dairy farm today. Today, one cow just gave birth, so Carl takes her to the milking area. They use fully automated milking robots here. This means that the cow is free to eat, drink, or rest, and to let herself be milked. The robot is designed so that the cow can move freely to the front. The cow's position is followed accurately all the time. As soon as the cow enters the robot, she is recognized from the sensor on her collar. Milking is prepared on the basis of the cow's historical data. As a result, the robot knows the exact position of the teats and the ration to be fed. Up to 5 different types of feed can be fed, including a liquid feed. The rationing is determined by the milk production and the cow's lactation phase. This is also connected to external feeding systems. While in the robot, some cow is sprayed with hoof care product. For optimum hygiene and stimulation, brushes are used for cleaning and disinfecting. The slowest quarter is connected first. Because the tubes are incorporated into the robot arm, the cow cannot step on them, reducing the risk of the milking process being disturbed. After each cleaning, the brushes are disinfected to prevent cross-contamination. The position of the cow is carefully monitored during the entire milking process, without disturbing the cow. As a result, the teat cup is always straight under the teat, minimizing the chance of a liner slip. The speed by which the udder releases the milk can differ per quarter. This is why the robot measures the milk flow separately per quarter from the robot arm, right next to the udder. The pulsations are adjusted per quarter based on the milk flow. During milking, the MQC monitors the milk continuously, safeguarding the quality of the milk. The system kills 99% of all bacteria, without detergents, offering maximum security in respect of udder health. Now the cow can exist straight ahead, in a relaxed manner. First, milk will be separated, and can be used for calf feeding. Now the cow can be relaxed with this massage machine, which not only cleans them but also help increases milk production. Look at these cows. They seem really love it. But what about the milk we drink? It's pumped directly to an on-farm system that runs 24/7. Processing on the farm keeps the milk fresh and high quality. Let's go find Carl and see what he's up to. Looks like he's checking on the cows to make sure they're all healthy and happy. Modern farms like this one rely on management software to keep things running smoothly. With historical health data, the software can even advise on personalized treatments for each cow. Oh, sounds like someone's hungry. Time to feed the animals. They can have fresh grass or mixed feed. But fresh grass has 10 to 20% more nutritional value. How can they feed cows with fresh grass? Here is the solution. This autonomous machine can harvest grass day and night. Bring it to the barn and feed it to the cows. This machine can help save much time and money for farmers. Although it's still in the prototype stage, this robot will be a game changer. Cows prefer eating throughout the day. Frequent eating keeps the pH level in their rumen stable, allowing the cow to fully exploit the nutrients available. 10 to 14 feedings per day are ideal for their best health. That's why automating feeding by robots is ideal for the best milk production. Here at Carl's farm, cows are fed by a giant robot. It's pretty cool and futuristic, but don't worry, the robot is very gentle. Nowadays, robots can handle most of the work on the farm. This helps farmers produce more food while spending less time and money. Some people worry about robots taking jobs, but experts think it will create new jobs and make society richer. Do you know what types of feed cows can eat? Can you list some? The feed kitchen is loaded up and the feeding robot does the rest. It mixes the feed and distributes it all around the barn, working tirelessly day and night to keep the cows well fed. Before, farmers have to fill the kitchen every day, but now they only have to do it twice a week. This means less work for them and more time to focus on other important tasks. The autonomous system is controlled by a management software that can be accessed anytime and anywhere, making it super convenient. Did you notice that cute little cleaning robot zipping around the barn? It's the cleaning robot. This hardworking buddy keeps the floor clean 24/7. Want to learn more about how other robots work on the farm? If many people are interested, I'll make a separate video about it. At the end of the day, Carl checks the KPIs and reviews the tasks done. Thanks to the autonomous system and digital technology, he saves more time for his family. Investing time with your family is always worthwhile. Now, I bet you're wondering how much it costs to have all these amazing robots and the autonomous system. Can you guess? Leave a number in comments. We've come to the end of our journey today. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Take care and see you soon.